Hi, I'm Pete. Welcome back to my channel. Today, we're back in the workshop getting started on a new project. I'm installing floor-to-ceiling bookcases in a 100-year-old apartment. I hope you find these videos enjoyable. If you do, please hit like and please remember to subscribe. Now, let's get started and let's have some fun. My client is requesting floor-to-ceiling bookcases with base cabinets be installed on both sides of her fireplace. This project presents some unique challenges as the building is over 100 years old. Once the design is finalized, the first step is to lay out the cabinets. While laying out the position for the cabinets, I noticed none of the walls are perfectly square or plumb. Who said carpentry was easy? Next, I remove the baseboards and I try to save as much material as possible for reuse at the end of the project. With the baseboards now removed, I start to design the sub-bases for the cabinets. The sub-bases will be a simple 2x6 frame topped with plywood. These sub-bases provide a level surface to attach to new cabinetry. Once the frames are assembled, I bring them to the apartment and begin the process of leveling. Perfectly level bases are an essential start to this project. With the sub-base frames installed, I now fabricate the tops from 3/4 inch plywood. The sub-bases are complete. Let's start building the cabinets. The cabinet carcasses will be built from 3/4 inch birch plywood. I ripped the panels to a more manageable size, and I'll clean it up on the table saw. Here's where a track saw would really come in handy. Once the cabinet sides and tops are cut to size, I use pocket hole screws and wood glue to pull it all together. These right angle clamps hold everything in place during the glue up. Now let's make the back for the cabinet. The cabinet backs are 1/2 inch birch plywood and will be attached with staples and wood glue. I now attach support cross members to the top and bottom of the cabinet. While the glue is drying on the right base cabinet, I begin building the left base cabinet. The left base cabinet and bookcase present new challenges as they need to be built around an existing chase. I make the cutout for the chase on the table saw. I once again use pocket screws and glue to assemble the base cabinet. Here you can see the cutout for the chase in the base cabinet. We're now ready to install the back panel. I need to cut one more piece to finish up this base cabinet. The base cabinets are done and it's delivery day. I center the cabinets on the subbases, then attach with screws. These base cabinets are now ready for their face frames and tops. I fabricate nailers for the face frames and attach them to the walls with construction adhesive. I allow 24 hours for the construction adhesive to cure. During that time period, I start building the face frames. I pre-drill and nail the face frames to the base cabinets. I want the tops for these cabinets to fit between the walls with minimal gaps. I create templates for the top using craft paper. I bring the templates back to my workshop and begin the process of laying out the cuts for the cabinet tops. I was hoping the tops would slide right in. No such luck though. A little fine-tuning with the block plane and we're good to go. With both tops attached, it's now time to fabricate the decorative overhang. The decorative overhang is attached with biscuits and glue. I fill in the glue joint with wood putty. Once the wood putty dries, I give it a good sanding. Now's a good time to install some of that salvaged baseboard trim. Other than the doors, these base cabinets are now done. Phase 1 of this project is now complete and it's time to start building those upper bookcases. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please subscribe and don't forget to hit that like button. I look forward to seeing you on future projects. Thanks again for stopping by.